Are you looking for the perfect green laser level for your work, but can't figure out which one to buy? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will show the top 5 best green laser levels, reliable, accurate, and packed with modern technology. Without further ado, watch the video until the end and find out which one is most suitable for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Takamine 16 Lines Green Laser Level Pro offers professional-grade precision with 4 360-degree green cross lines, perfect for comprehensive floor, wall, and ceiling layouts. Utilizing sharp green laser technology from Japan, it provides exceptional brightness and stability, ensuring visibility up to 130 feet, extending to 200 feet with pulse mode and a receiver. The unit is built for durability with an IP54 waterproof rating and shock-resistant TPR rubber housing. A key feature is the included remote control for simple adjustments and an external Type-C rechargeable battery for extended work sessions. It's a versatile, robust tool for any construction project. Item number 4. Next up is the DEWALT 12-volt Max Laser Level, a professional-grade solution built on the robust 12-volt rechargeable battery platform. This unit features bright green beam laser technology with a 3-way 360-degree line laser for full room coverage and maximum versatility. It ensures precision with an accuracy of ±3 mm at 10 meters. Designed for job site durability, it boasts an overmolded housing and an impressive IP65 rating for water and debris resistance. The integrated magnetic bracket offers easy mounting, and a locking pendulum protects the internal components during transport. Item number 3. The CIGMAN CM701 is a compact 3x360-degree green laser level designed for fast and accurate alignment in construction and home projects. It features 12 bright laser lines with 360-degree coverage, ideal for tiling, framing, and interior layout. With auto leveling, manual, and pulse modes, it adapts easily to small rooms or large job sites, extending up to 50 meters with a receiver. Built with durable metal and IP54 protection, it resists dust and water. The 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long operation, and the included magnetic base, tripod mount, and remote control make setup simple and versatile. Item number 2. The Huepar Pro 4D Self-Leveling Laser Level delivers exceptional accuracy of +1/3" at 33 feet, making it ideal for construction and precision alignment. It features 4 360-degree green laser lines for full room coverage, supported by an ultra-bright Class 2 laser. The powerful 8,000 mAh Li-ion battery provides up to 8 hours of continuous use and supports Type-C fast charging. With self-leveling, manual mode, a 32-foot remote control range, and a strong magnetic bracket, it offers maximum versatility. The lifting base enhances floor tiling accuracy, and Huepar's industry-leading 5-year warranty ensures long-term reliability. Item number 1. The ICOV Laser Level is a professional 3x360-degree crossline tool for construction and picture hanging. It features 1 360-degree horizontal and 2 360-degree vertical lines, covering the entire room. The compact tripod extends up to 59.8 inches and folds to 18.5 inches for easy storage. A 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 8 hours runtime with a clear power indicator. It supports self-leveling within 3 degrees or manual leveling at any angle. The laser includes pulse mode and a remote control with 16 feet range, making indoor and outdoor projects simple and precise. The laser is easy to set up, and its durability ensures reliable performance on any job site. Which of these green laser level is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.